Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be learning about a slightly more complicated rhythm. It's called a polyrhythm. Specifically, this one is 2 against 3. Now this rhythm, it's going to sound a little complicated at first, but once you get to play it, you'll see it's actually very logical and almost mathematical. So this 2 against 3, again, it's called a polyrhythm, which means you're playing 2 different rhythms at the same time. So specifically, one of your hands is going to be playing 2 notes or eighth notes, and the other hand is going to be playing 3 notes or triplets in the same beat. And they'll both fit into the same amount of time, and you're going to play them at the same time. So usually what you'll see is that your left hand is going to be playing the eighth notes, and your right hand is going to be playing triplets. And we're going to be able to play them at the same time. So the first step is to understand what 2 against 3 really means. Let's imagine this one beat, this one steady beat. I have the metronome going on in the background if you can hear it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If we divide that into 2 equal parts into eighth notes each beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we divide this hand, your right hand, into 3 equal parts. Triplet, 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 triplet. So what 2 against 3 means is that while your left hand is playing your 2 notes, your eighth notes, your other hand is going to be playing your triplets at the same time. They will start and end at the same time on the same note, but in the middle, they'll be playing different rhythms. So triplet, triplet, eighth note, eighth note, eighth note, eighth note. So it sounds a little complicated, but one of the magic tricks that I used the way I learned was to say hot cup of tea. So if you clap the syllables evenly when saying hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, there are 4 syllables. So the word hot and of are going to be playing what your triplet plays. Hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea. And the word hot and tea are where your 2 rhythm plays. So hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea. So even easier if you think about this, both hands play hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea. Now if we try tapping it on a table slowly, you can go hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea. So say it out loud while tapping. Hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea. The phrase will evenly space the notes correctly every time. Another way to understand it is to break the beat into the smallest shared division, which is 6 tiny parts. So 2 divides evenly into 6 because every 3 parts you get 6 notes, and then every 2 parts you get 6 notes in the triplets. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the rhythm works with your hands playing on your right hand, your right hand playing the triplet will play 1, 3, 5, and your left hand will be playing 1 and 4. They'll line up at 1 and then meet again at the next big beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 4. So when you play it like that, if you split it up into 6, you can count them like that. You don't have to count to 6 while playing. I always found that hot cup of tea works a lot better for me. Every time I play triplets, I say in my head, hot cup of tea. And to practice them, before putting them together, you can practice the rhythms alone. So count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then practice the 3 rhythm alone. So triplet, 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 triplet. Once you're confident that both of them are steady and relaxed, you can put it together slowly. So I'm going to turn the metronome off for this so that you can practice as slowly as you'd like. So that is going to sound like hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea. So go very slowly, say the words out loud while playing, and then see if you can try to focus on which beat each hand is playing. So for the triplets, hot cup of tea, hot cup tea, hot cup tea, hot cup tea. And then your left hand, hot cup tea, hot cup tea, hot cup tea, hot cup tea. So hot cup of tea, hot of hot of hot of hot of hot cup tea, hot cup tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea. So say the words out loud while playing them. If it feels messy, you can slow down even more and then go very slowly. So hot cup of tea, hot cup of tea, and then slowly get faster. And it'll come naturally after you start getting more accurate. A few common mistakes that people tend to trip up on are rushing the triplet or letting one hand follow the other. So if you try to let one hand follow the other, it'll end up messy and you'll lose your count. So try to keep your wrists loose. Think horizontally. So don't think of them separately. Think of them as working together. Keep thinking of hot cup of tea because that's one sentence, they'll work together. If you keep your counting steady and if you keep repeating it, you'll eventually get it. 2 out of 3, it'll feel really hard at first, it'll feel complicated, and sometimes, maybe if you're beginning, you're not as coordinated as you would like to be, but just keep going slowly. Use hot cup of tea. If the 6 grid works better for you, use the 6 grid, but say it out loud. Maybe try clapping. Something that I've noticed is that in like a crowd of people, if people are clapping, they'll usually clap in triplets. So if someone, let's say there's a big piano recital and someone did really good and everyone claps, they'll go. That is a triplet, actually, if you focus on it. Triplet, 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 triplet. I've gotten in the habit of playing the counterpart to that, so I'll play eighth notes to match the triplets, and I don't have another set of hands with me, but try it with someone in your house, try it with your friend or a sibling, and see if they can clap the triplet, and see if you can try and catch the eighth notes in between. Together you can make a hot cup of tea pattern, or again, 2 against 3 pattern. Keep practicing this, try to notice it in piano music, see where it lines up like this, and this is used a lot in classical and jazz music because it's kind of funky sounding. It's got that little offbeat to it, which makes it sound really cool. So keep practicing slowly, and I will see you in the next video.